Hey, what's up? So I did a video on how to download GB WhatsApp on your iPhone, and this method in particular didn't work for everyone. And for those that it worked for, they complained, most of them complained that the duration time was not that long, meaning within 2 to 3 days, then the app automatically closes. So to solve this issue, this video is actually the step-by-step procedure on how to get the GB WhatsApp on your iPhone. And I strongly believe that this method is going to work for everyone. And just as a heads up, this procedure is quite different from the previous method. So for this, you have to follow throughout the video, step by step, so that you don't miss out anything. Because if you miss one step, it's going to affect the results you get, for the installation. So without much ado, let's just get straight into the steps. So first off, you don't need to uninstall the WhatsApp you're using on your iPhone, be it WhatsApp Business or the normal WhatsApp, because what you're going to do in this video is that you're going to add some of the features of GB WhatsApp onto the normal WhatsApp on the iPhone. So yeah, so the specific app we'll be using for this is called Cydia. So let's just head on straight to the Cydia website and download the app. So let's get on with it. So first off, go to Google, and search for Cydia free. So search for that and click on the first link you see. So click on the first link and it will take you to the Cydia website. So over here you can see the various versions available for the various iOS versions. So just head on to Cydia download now, and it takes you to the next web page. So this is where you're going to do the installation. So just click on install. So click on install and it runs this series of codes on your phone to jailbreak it. So you can see it's running. Then you can see, so just allow it so that it can be installed onto your iPhone. So this goes straight to your settings. So you have to install Cydia in your settings. So when done with the download, head on straight to settings. So you can see the profile downloaded has been added to settings. So just click on profile downloaded and you see the Cydia app there. So go ahead and install the Cydia app. So click on install to install it. So enter whatever security code you have on your iPhone to proceed to the next stage. So go ahead and install this. Go ahead and install. It doesn't really take that long. So you see it's done. So just click on done and hopefully the Cydia app will be installed on your home screen. So let's go and check whether my Cydia is on my home screen. So as you can see, Cydia is right on my home screen. So go ahead and open the Cydia app. And you can see this is the interface of Cydia. So head on straight to sources and click on add. So go ahead and paste this URL here. So paste it in this space. So I'll be dropping it on the screen, so you can just copy it or type it in here. So enter this URL, the EPT URL. So when you're done, just add source. So when you're done, add source, and this will be verified in the Cydia app. So you can see it's running the updates. So this is where you're going to get some of the GB WhatsApp features to add to the normal WhatsApp on the iPhone. So you can see it's still updating the source. It's now reloading and it's done. So just return back to Cydia. Then you go to search and search for Watosi 2 for WhatsApp. So go ahead and look for Watosi 2 for WhatsApp, and I think it's a third option. So you either download it or upgrade it, but it's advisable you upgrade since you already have the normal WhatsApp on your iPhone. Okay, so if you're done with that, go ahead and open your WhatsApp app and head on to settings, and you see Watosi preference. So go ahead and open that, and you see the available GB WhatsApp features that you could add to your WhatsApp on your iPhone. And it contains some or not all the features, some of the features on GB WhatsApp, and this is because WhatsApp doesn't really do well with third-party applications, so you will not really be getting all the features from GB WhatsApp, but you'll be getting stuff like downloading of status and some few helpful features from GB WhatsApp. Okay, so if this method actually works for you, you can go ahead and explore the GB WhatsApp features that work on the WhatsApp for your iPhone. But if it doesn't, just go straight down into the comment section and write the problem you encountered. Maybe you missed a step or something, so that we can figure out something. Because hey, the Android users are actually getting away with this, because GB WhatsApp actually has some cool features, very cool features that makes the use of WhatsApp really, really fun. And it seems the iPhone users are missing out on this fun. So don't miss out. So just you can follow this step. If it doesn't work, I made a previous video. You can also try that. So if that also doesn't work, you can write the problem you encountered down in the comment section. So with that being said, please be sure to subscribe. It's very, very important. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.